elephant and octopus had an idea. They opened a bar on the beach. The elephant has money in its trunk. The octopus had a great reach. On the corner of Mason and Pine is a new establishment made for fun time. Peanuts, calamari, the elephant and octopus come to eat and drink, hear some good tunes. Hope you come back soon. The elephant remembers, the octopus not so much. Peanuts and calamari. The elephant remembers, the octopus not so much. The elephant remembers, the octopus not so much.